Assalamu alaikum guys, this is Husna. Welcome to my channel Husna's Cooking Story. So guys, since the rainy season has started, people are craving for so many things, even I do. I'm craving for so many recipes. Here I've prepared chicken soup today. It's hot and spicy chicken soup. So please let me know in the comment section what are your cravings, what are you craving for. So here I've taken 3 to 400 grams of chicken with bones and 2 handful of cabbage nicely shredded, thinly sliced onions and carrot cut into pieces. I've taken 2 whole eggs beaten nicely, 2 tablespoons of corn flour, made a nice slurry with it, and then I've taken few sauces, that is red chili sauce 1 tablespoon and half tablespoon of soya sauce, and then I've taken black pepper powder, salt and ginger garlic paste. So let's get started. Here I've added chicken into the cooker and cabbage, and then I'll add carrots. Now let's add onions into it. I'm using only half onion, the rest of the onions I'll use for seasoning later. And then let's add around 2 to 2.5 liters of water into it, because we have to make stock out of it. And then I'll go ahead and add little salt, that is as per our taste. Now I'm adding ginger garlic paste to it, and then I'll add black pepper powder. I'll save a little powder for the later use while seasoning, and then give it a nice stir guys, and then close the cooker and cook the chicken nicely. I've given like 12 to 13 whistles. Once it's done, let's separate the chicken from its stock and veggies and shred it nicely in this manner and keep it aside. Here I've taken a pan and I'm adding butter to it, and I'll add a little bit of oil to it also. Guys, actually I was supposed to use green onions, but because of lockdown I was not able to get that. If it is available in your area, you can use it. It enhances the taste of our soup. Now our butter and oil is hot. Let's add the onions and black pepper. I'll go ahead and add soya sauce and red chili sauce to it, and then give it a nice mix. Don't cook the sauces for too long. I'm just mixing the sauces here. And now let's add cooked chicken, which is shredded, and stir it again. So once it is done, let's go ahead and add the stock which we had taken out earlier with the veggies, and give it a nice mix. Let it cook for 1 or 2 minutes until it is boiling, and then we will add the corn flour slurry which we had prepared earlier. Add the slurry in this manner and mix it vigorously in this manner to avoid forming any lumps. Once the slurry is cooked well, let's add beaten eggs and mix it well guys on a low flame for about 1 to 2 minutes, and your soup is ready to be served hot. Do try out this recipe guys and comment me how it turned out. Here I am garnishing with fresh coriander. If you have green onions, you can serve it with that as well. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel Husna's Cooking Story. I'll be back with a new craving recipe. Until then, take care. Allah Hafiz.